guys, while that's cooking, join me on this side. So, just clean that up a bit. All right. So this is the. You need a bowl. You need a strainer. I happen to have a very big strainer. Sometimes I use this Swift. I don't know what it's called, but I use this thing here. So this is what I usually use. This is really good too. Guys, if you know me, you know I don't really remember names of stuff at the end of the day. So, but you know what I mean. Oh, cheesecloth. If you have cheesecloth, use those. But the other one works really good. But tonight, I just feel like I need to do it old school. Okay, so you're gonna take the lid off the blender, and then you're gonna pour it in like that. Could you see that? Oh, oh my goodness, that looks so nice and green. It's like my green juice, guys. I know. I have to show you how to make my green juice because I think you guys forgot. You just give it some stir like this. So you see how that's doing? I know you can see this, right? Oh, yeah. So that's what you do. Now, if I was using my cheesecloth, it would have been done already and all the juices are in there. But because I touched like onion and garlic and stuff, I really don't want to. Oopsie. I really don't want to touch it because this way, if I squeeze it out with my onion hands, then you're gonna have cucumber, onion, ginger drink, and nobody wants that. Okay, that's not doing me justice. Okay, guys, you could use one of these too and press. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. Guys, are you hearing my song in the back? It's about Farrell's Corner, and you guys know because you're not new to this channel. Farrell's Corner song is all about Farrell's Corner. Everything that I did on this channel, on this platform, YouTube is loving it. Oh my God, they are. They're loving it, guys. I think YouTube and I have a nice relationship, and I want to keep it that way. So guys, just keep pressing till you get all the liquid out as much as you can. Because you know what? Cucumbers are full of water. So if you're dehydrated, just eat cucumbers. Just chew them up. Swallow them up. Anyways, it's a clean channel, guys. Stop this. I know. Yes. So squeeze it out as much as you can to get all that liquid out. If you want to sweeten it, you can. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. If you want to add a little bit of milk in it, you could do so too. Yeah. Either way, it still tastes so good. Look at that. See, liquid is still coming out of this baby. All right. There we go. Okay, let me taste it. Give it a stir. It's not bad. Okay, let me get a little container to put it in. Just rinsey. Put it in that. And what can't fit goes in the glass.